high quality grout. There are a lot of compound we have in the market today. So if you don't buy the correct one, the high quality one, it's not going to bond well. And there's a bathroom where we always clean, so it's not going to be durable. It's not going to be durable, and you must be careful. You will be able to identify the correct one. So today I'm going to show us how we can identify the correct high quality grout. Here I have two kind of compound. So I want us to know, one is the correct grout, the right compound for filling your tiles joint. One is not correct. So I want us to learn how we can identify it. Make a hole in between. Then put water. You see what's going on with this one? This one, the water disappeared. Here the water is standing. There's no proper mixing. There's no mixing here. The water is repelled by the compound. Here, there's complete absorption here. The water is absorbed. So you can see the two, they are white. But one is quality repellent compound. So it does not allow the water to penetrate. So that's why it can be the quality one, to repel the water from penetrating into the joint. Here, the water has disappeared. Here, the water has disappeared. So this is a wrong compound for filling your tiles. So it's not a good one. It's not a quality grout. Here you see, it's not mixing. This one is a quality one. It's a high quality one. This one is not. So always put water and see which one repels the water. That's a quality compound for filling your joint. You see, when you fill this joint with quality one, it does not allow water to penetrate. And they must also be effective. The bonding effect will be high. You must bind the two. So, but this one that is not repelling water cannot bind. By the time you use your scotch to clean the wall 2 times, it goes up. So you must use high quality grout for filling the joint. This is what we have in this. You can see water repellent. If you like what we have demonstrated, please comment and give me a thumb up. My name remains Construction No Limit. Please, if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching.